Who said without any serious cake equipment you'll not be able to make your cake? Who said that? I want you to know that you don't have to go through all the hassle using your spatula, using your hand to make anything, or you have to buy what we call the mixing machine or whatever. With just a blender, you can make this perfect cake. And these are ingredients. We'll need egg, melted margarine or butter. We'll go ahead to add some sugar to that, your milk and your vanilla flavor or any flavor of your choice. Just put everything into a blender and blend like this. Pour it into a mixing bowl just like this. And now you go ahead to put in your sifted flour. Yes, you have to sift your flour. It makes it so easy to work with, and it helps to also trap any foreign materials that may come with the flour. Okay, you add your flour to this and add some baking soda and baking powder. All the ingredients will still be listed in the description, so do well to refer to the description to get all the details you need. With your spatula like this, or a spoon or a hand whisk like this, you can just make this until you are able to get this consistency. You don't want to mix it until it's smooth. You still want to have this feel. Okay, you want this texture right there. Pour this into your baking pan, but before then, make sure that you have greased your baking pan with some margarine or butter, and again with some flour. That way it makes it very easy for you to take out your cake when it cools down. Yes, nothing is going to stick into your baking pan like this. Okay, just pour it in it, and do not pour too much. Just a little will be fine, because this is going to proof, and when it rises a little it may overflow. Okay, and we do not want that. Yes, we do not want to have any regrets. Put it into your oven, and in few minutes we achieve something like this. And this cake is just made with a blender. Okay, you don't need any manpower, any special equipment. With just your blender at home, you can achieve this. I hope that you are going to try this and you found it very, very helpful. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends and loved ones so they can also benefit from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.